Milan, the fashion and cultural capital of Italy, is best known for its iconic symbol, the breathtaking Duomo di Milano. This magnificent Gothic cathedral, with its intricate spires and stunning facade, stands at the heart of the city, drawing millions of visitors every year. Just steps away from the Duomo is the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a masterpiece of architecture and luxury. This historic shopping arcade is home to the world's most prestigious brands, offering an elegant blend of high fashion, fine dining, and artistic beauty. With its grand glass dome, intricate mosaics, and glowing lights, the Galleria is not just a shopping destination, but a true tourist attraction, capturing the essence of Milan's style and sophistication. As you stroll through the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, you'll notice the unmistakable presence of Milan's luxurious brands. This world-renowned shopping arcade is a haven for fashion enthusiasts, with stores like Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, and Dolce & Gabbana lining its elegant corridors. The grandeur of the Galleria itself complements these high-end labels, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and style. In the heart of Milan's fashion scene, Giorgio Armani offers a range of timeless elegance, with prices reflecting its luxury craftsmanship. From finely tailored suits to exquisite accessories, these high-end products embody sophistication, with some items reaching thousands of euros, making them a symbol of luxury and refinement. Boutique offers not just fashion, but a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle Milan is known for. Whether you're window shopping or indulging in a designer purchase, the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is the ultimate destination for those who seek the best of Milan's luxury fashion scene. The street outside the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is Piazza del Duomo, a lively and bustling square that perfectly captures the vibrant atmosphere of Milan. Here, you can take in the city's energetic vibe, surrounded by cafes, shops, and stunning architecture. As we leave the Piazza del Duomo, we begin our walk through the charming streets of Milan, taking in the city's unique blend of modernity and history. Milan's streets are lined with beautiful architecture, from elegant cafes to boutique shops, reflecting the city's stylish and sophisticated atmosphere. The vibrant energy of the city surrounds you, with locals and tourists alike bustling along, creating a lively yet relaxed environment. As we make our way towards the Last Supper Museum, you'll notice how Milan seamlessly mixes its rich history with contemporary life. The walk itself is an experience, offering glimpses of Milan's architectural marvels and cultural landmarks. As we make our way towards the Last Supper Museum, the journey through Milan itself is a captivating experience. The city's streets offer a visual feast, where every corner reveals a new architectural gem, from majestic palaces to delicate Renaissance details. Milan's historical significance shines through in its vibrant cultural landmarks, making this walk feel like a journey through time. Passing through the Brera district, we encounter cobblestone streets and charming courtyards, full of artistic energy. Here, the atmosphere shifts slightly, reflecting Milan's reputation as a center for art and creativity. This area, known for its galleries and art schools, is where you can truly feel the heartbeat of the city's artistic legacy. As we continue towards our destination, we are surrounded by buildings that blend Milan's past with its modern-day vibrancy, showcasing a city that honors its rich heritage while embracing innovation and change. Along the way, you'll notice beautiful shops, each more stunning than the last. The windows are elegantly decorated, showcasing the finest Italian fashion, accessories, and design. As we continue, we arrive at the largest Starbucks in Milan, a true landmark. This Starbucks Reserve Roastery, one of the largest in the world, offers a unique blend of modern style and Milan's rich history, making it a must-visit for coffee lovers. Italy is famous for its pizza, with a rich history dating back to the 18th century in Naples, where the iconic margherita pizza was first created. The classic margherita, with its simple combination of tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil, is the base of most pizzas in Italy. Over time, regional variations emerged, and today, you'll find endless toppings that cater to all tastes, from fresh vegetables to premium meats and seafood. One of the best places to experience authentic pizza near Milan's Duomo is Sontini Pizza Restaurant. Known for its traditional approach, Sontini offers a variety of pizzas with a crispy, thin crust that perfectly complements the fresh ingredients. The base is always a classic margherita, and from there, you can add a range of toppings to suit your preference, whether it's pepperoni, mushrooms, or a more adventurous combination. Sontini is renowned for its commitment to quality, making it a must-visit spot for pizza lovers exploring Milan. As we stroll through the bustling streets near the Duomo on New Year's Eve, the atmosphere is electric with excitement. The sidewalks are lined with cozy cafes, filled with people enjoying the festive vibe. Suddenly, the sky lights up as fireworks begin to explode, marking the beginning of the new year. The air is filled with joy and anticipation as tourists from all over the world gather to witness the dazzling display. Now, we're in front of Cafe Prada, a perfect spot to end our Milan journey. As we head upstairs, we're greeted by an elegant atmosphere where we can enjoy a cup of coffee or indulge in some delicious Italian gelato. From here, we have a stunning view of the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, watching the lively crowd move through its grand walkways. The cafe blends luxury with tradition, offering a refined setting to relax and take in the final moments of our Milan adventure. It's the perfect way to wrap up this unforgettable experience in the heart of the city. Italy is famous for its gelato, offering a rich variety of flavors, from classic pistachio and stracciatella to unique seasonal creations. Made with fresh ingredients, Italian gelato is creamier and more intense in flavor than regular ice cream, making it a must-try for any visitor. That's a wrap on our Milan journey. From historic landmarks to stylish streets, this city has so much to offer. Thanks for watching! Have you been to Milan, or is it on your bucket list? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.